Let's take a look at what are called plugins, and plugins are basically pieces of code or pieces of software that allow you to add all sorts of features to your website and ProHealth sites. So once you're logged into your dashboard, if you go over to the side menu here and go down to plugins, I'll just click on plugins, and it'll bring you to a screen where it shows all different plugins that are available. And you can search your plugins over here if you're looking for something specific, or you can take a look and read a little bit about what each of the plugins does. You'll notice that the plugins, we'll find one here with the green little triangle and check in the top left corner. That's something that's already installed on your website. All the other ones are not installed yet, and you can simply activate them. I'm just going to look for one. Say I wanted to create a slide-in bar. This is a great little promotional tool, and I want to activate it. All I do is click on activate. You'll see that the screen will refresh, and then let's see, we'll scroll back down, and now it's got a green little check mark in the corner. What that does is when we go back over here to our side menu bar, you can see that now there's a menu option for slide in, and here's where you can adjust the settings and create your slide in bars. Now, some of these you might want to know some more information before you activate it. Before I do that, I'm just going to deactivate this, so set my website back to the way it was, and we should see that that check mark disappears. Scroll back down to slide in just to make sure it's gone, so now it's deactivated. And just before we go on, let's just take a look back over in our menu bar here. You notice that that slide in option is now gone. So if you had any slide in bars that were activated, those will now no longer work on the site once you deactivate that plugin. If you want to learn more about any of these features, if you click the Learn More button, it's going to take us over to the developers of these different plugins called WPMU Dev, and you'll see they have really amazing tutorials here. The slide-in allows you to create graceful and eye-catching marketing message, so on. You can watch a little video that shows you exactly how it works, and then all of the installation and actual step-by-step instructions of how to use the feature are listed under usage, and that'll be available for all the different plugins that you might want to choose. Let's go back to our manager here, and you can see there are a lot of plugins, a lot of different features. If there's ever something that you wish you were able to do and you don't find it in one of these features, make sure you watch the video tutorial talking about plugins and features that are not listed here in this main index. And also feel free to contact us. We'd love to add more features and more functionality for your website.